Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to a township called Pyalong. Now Pyalong is a town in central Victoria, Australia. The town is located on the Northern Highway in the Shire of Mitchell, which is the local government area, and 90 kilometres from the state capital, the city of Melbourne. In the 2016 census, the population had reached 660 people. Pyalong was a name of a pastoral run in 1838, taken up by an overlander named Alexander Mollison. It is thought that the name was derived from an Aboriginal word meaning two small waterholes dug by women. The rail bridge over Mollison's Creek was constructed for the Victorian Railways in 1889 by the McDermott Sons along the Wandong-Bendigo railway line. The line was officially closed in 1968. The rail bridge and line were used to supply the Bendigo mines with shaft timbers. The line was also very important for local produce being used in the transportation of wool and sheep. The bridge is architecturally significant as a representative and substantially intact example of a timber trestle bridge using stay piles and timber longitudinal girders supporting the timber rail deck. It is a notable example of a timber trestle bridge construction which demonstrates a distinctive and presently rare used construction method that utilises the best qualities of native bush timbers. So without further ado, let's check out the township of Pyalong. Now, just a quick note about the Pyalong Hotel. It is not in the line of sight when travelling on the Northern Highway. You'll actually have to turn off, and it's no more than a 30-second ride or drive into the township proper. And once you get there, the ambience is second to none. You've got grapevines growing on the balcony, as you'll see, and it's such a pleasant place. The wildlife seems to zoom around quite a lot, as in the birds. They have definitely cold beer on tap. The meals were cost effective, but they also cater to people who are like in motorcycle clubs, in car clubs, or even maybe a work function where one could go and book out the whole place. Weddings are sort of also an option. It's quite a pleasant place since the new renovations have made the total area much larger and more appealing to a greater audience. Now, once you get there, just bear in mind it opens at 12 p.m. and they serve lunch and dinner. So here we are coming to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I enjoyed coming out this way on the motorbike. The Trestle Bridge was extremely fascinating to me. And this pub had a lot of charm, a lot of personality, and the food was terrific. There's no questions there. And the ambience was one of very welcoming. So once again, if you did enjoy it, give us that thumbs up. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost a cent, and it really does help the channel. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.